Surah Al-Qariyah, the catastrophic event. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 11 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
القارعة.
The catastrophic event.
ما القارعة.
What is the catastrophic event?
وما أدراك ما القارعة.
And what do you know of the catastrophic event?
يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث.
The day humankind will be like scattered moths.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش.
And the mountains will become like colourful carded wool.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
As for the one whose scales will be heavy,
فهو في عيشة راضية.
he will be in a blissful life.
وأما من خفت موازينه.
As for the one whose scales will be light,
فأمه هاوية.
his abode will be Hawiyah, i.e. in hell.
وما أدراك ما هي.
What do you know of it?
نار حامية.
It is a raging fire.